Hey guys, it's Big Belly Bob here, and do I have a Friendsgiving event for you? Myself, Miss Shan, and multiple channels came together to form one big happy family collaboration potluck for Friendsgiving. I know with the way the world's going right now, we all can't get together. So we're going to do a virtual premiering collaboration that's going to start at 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday the 24th. Yes, this Tuesday, we're going to take over YouTube, okay? We're going to have one premiere going every 20 minutes. So all those channels will be listed below. So you'll be able to go check those out and be ready for Tuesday. But why not get to meet some of these families? You want to meet them? Let's go.
What's going on? What's going on, y'all? It's your girl, RealGirl FoodWorld, and I'm a part of the Friendsgiving Potluck collaboration. I'm bringing dessert to the potluck, and I can't wait to see what everybody else is bringing.
What's up, you guys? I'm Nita B, and this is my beautiful wife, T. And we are the Bracken Family. We're being a part of the Friendsgiving collaboration. We're contributing stuffed bell peppers. So, y'all, it is dropping this Tuesday, so don't miss it. Who next?
Hi everyone, welcome to Why-Why-Why-Not, and I'm proud to be a part of the One Big Family collab, and we're having a potluck. I'm preparing sauteed squash, zucchini, onion, and hog jaws. Southern. Now look at what the next person is bringing. Let's eat.
Hey everybody, I'm Dez.
I'm Dee.
And we are so happy to be a part of the Friendsgiving Potluck collaboration. In this collaboration, we're going to be making some baked chicken wings. So let's see what everybody else is making.
Hi, it's your girl Dee Cee Mukbang, and I'm so happy to be a part of this Friends and Family collab. And what I'm bringing to the table is collard greens, macaroni and cheese, homemade cranberry sauce, Cornish hen, and chitlins. Yes, I said it, chitlins.
Hi, this is Living Life with Lisa. My name is Lisa.
TK.
And we are so excited and so glad to be a part of this one big happy family potluck collaboration. So we will be preparing a southern dish, baked turkey wings with cornbread dressing. We cannot wait. Thank you.
Hi guys, Soulful Eats here. I am super excited to be part of the Friendsgiving Potluck collaboration, and my dish I'm going to be making, collard greens, and I cannot wait to see what everybody else is making.
Hey everyone, I am Angel of Angel's Army. I am participating in the big potluck collaboration with Big Belly Bob, and I am gonna be bringing the bacon and the laughter.
Hey nobodies, I'm Nobody Eats. I'm so excited to be a part of this potluck. I'll be bringing twice baked potato and baked chicken. So thrilled to see what you guys will be bringing to the table.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Rodney and Jonelle. I hope you guys are having a great day and hope all is well with you. We have a special treat for you guys today.
Yes, we are so happy to be a part of the One Big Happy Family Friendsgiving collab, and our plate will be gator
meat.
Yeah, and we can't wait to see what everybody else is bringing.
I can't wait either. I'm ready.
Hello, I'm the Vegan Kitty.
I'm the Mass Vegan, and we are so excited to be a part of this Friendsgiving collaboration and donating our vegan version of ham, dressing,
The perfect potato salad.
and more.
We can't wait to see what everyone else is bringing.
Hey, it's Shrashira. I am so excited to be a part of this Friendsgiving potluck collaboration. My contribution, I will be making Cornish hens. Let's see what everybody else is making.
What's up, fam? We are Mckenzie Momements. I'm Bruce.
And I'm Pam.
And we are so happy to be a part of this Friendsgiving
with one big happy family collaboration. We will be making creamy mac and cheese,
y'all.
Can't wait to see what the rest of the family's making.
Can't wait. Peace.
Hey guys, it's Miss Shan along here with Big Belly Bob.
And I got Miss Diva here. And we are so happy to be part of this Friendsgiving collaboration.
We're going to be bringing baked spaghetti and potato salad to the gathering. So let's see what everyone else is going to bring.
What up, peoples? It's your girl, Xtina Grubz. I am a part of the One Big Happy Family. We are doing a Friendsgiving Potluck collaboration. I'm bringing red beans and rice. I hope to see you there.
Hey guys,
I'm Jessica.
I'm Justin, and we are the Browns. And we're also excited to be part of the Friendsgiving collaboration. What we'll be bringing to the table is
Vietnamese egg rolls.
we can't wait to see what everybody else is bringing to the table.
Howdy, fellow foodie friends. Hoosier Daddy here. Thanks for inviting me to be a part of the One Big Happy Family Friendsgiving Potluck. I'm so excited. I hope you saved room for dessert because I'm bringing my specialty, homemade apple crisp with vanilla ice cream. I hope to see y'all there.
Happy Friendsgiving!